Assalamualaikum and good evening to everyone. Today we'll study about the purgative, antidiarrheal and antispasmodic chapter. At the end of this e-learning session, you are able to define and classify purgative drugs. So let's start with the definition of the purgative drugs. So purgatives are the drug used to promote evacuation of the feces from the bowel. So at this image you can see here it is I have shown here the image of the large intestine and the small intestine. So this part that you see here, it is the large intestine, and this portion it is the small intestine. So mostly in case of the constipation, the fecal matter it's stuck in case of the large intestine, and the main reason for the constipation and because the stool become hard, and this hard stool it find very difficult to move from the lower portion to the upper side of the intestine. So the purgative drugs, these are used to promote evacuation of the feces from the bowel by different mechanism, and these purgative drug having different intensity of purgative actions, and it's depending upon how much is the constipation. So if patient is suffering from very severe constipation, then accordingly you will be using the different category of the drugs. So let's see what are the different category of the purgative drug that we can use to relieve the patient from the constipation. First category, it is the apparent in nature. Second one, it is the laxative. Third one, it is the purgative. Fourth one, it is the drastic cathartics, and these are used to describe the magnitude of purgative action. So for example, if patient is suffering from a less severe constipation, then in such patient you can prescribe the apparent. Constipation is very severe, then you can give the laxative. If it is much severe, you can give the purgative drugs, and if it is much more severe, then you can give the drastic cathartics. This can be given in case of the severe kind of constipation. So what these drugs are doing, this basically soft your stool, and when your stool becomes soft, it will help you for the movement of the stool from one part to the another part, and it will help patient to get the natural call. So this is the basic part of the purgative drugs. So I have done with my today's discussions, and we'll see about the mechanism of action and their pharmacotherapy in the next lecture. Thank you.